It's a banger.
Another one.
It's a banger.
Another one.
It's a banger.
Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan Region. Oh, just spat.
I heard that, you nasty.
Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan Region. My name is V. I love a lot of vegan things, but mainly food. Last week I asked whether you wanted to see me follow a recipe I've never tried before, or if you wanted to see me taste test new vegan food. And there were a couple more votes leaning towards following a recipe I've never tried before. So I thought I'd elevate this a little bit and actually use an ingredient that I've never used before.
I would like to see it.
I'm going to be using jackfruit. I was really surprised that I was actually able to find this in a Tesco Tesco Express? Local Express? You know, the smaller Tesco basically. So I've had jackfruit before in the sense that I've had it pepperoni style slices or things like that, but I've never actually had like just jackfruit chilling there. So I found a recipe from a website called It Doesn't Taste Like Chicken. Over there they did a taco style jackfruit. So I'm gonna use the method that they use to make the jackfruit. Instead of making tacos, I'm gonna make a sort of burrito bowl. That's kind of the vibe I'm going for. And the thing that I really enjoy about burrito bowls is that there's so many different components to it. So I feel like you can't ever really get bored while you're eating it. One of the things that I really wanted to do
Oh man, you're just ruining it.
One of the things that I really wanted to try and do this year was to use less meat substitute products. So I'm really excited to try this out and I hope it doesn't disappoint me.
You never know what you're gonna get.
Are you gonna focus on me?
I think you invented notes never ever before heard in music.
Before we get started, I'm just going to show you everything that you need. So I've got some cucumber, lemon, tomatoes, avocado, onion, garlic, some ready-made rice because I can't be asked to cook rice at the moment, some maple syrup, some mild and smoky barbecue sauce, smoked paprika, cumin. This is some chilies. We've got olive oil. I've got some jarred peppers that I want to finish off, some vegetable stock, red kidney beans, sweet corn, jackfruit of course, and tortilla chips. And hopefully we're going to be able to turn these ingredients. I've also got salt and pepper, sorry, I just forgot to take it out. But hopefully we're going to use all these ingredients to make a delicious
you should think about it. Take a second.
Burrito bowl inspired thing.
Girl, please.
I'm not actually sure if you're supposed to wash it, but I just gave it a tiny bit of a rinse. I'm going to cut along the root here so that I can get that pulled pork texture. Whatever seeds you find, just leave them in. Don't throw them away. Here I'm just doing a like bean mix sort of thing. Roasted jarred peppers that I had left over, some onions, garlic and red kidney beans, and I'm just gonna add a few spices to it like salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and yeah, I think that, and maybe some cumin, and I think that will be about it, and that's all I'm doing to this bean mix.
Meanwhile.
Peel the avocado, peel the avocado, peel the avocado, peel the avocado. Guacamole, guacamole.
Eventually.
So here we are. We've got this burrito bowl. I mean, it's not like the most well presented, but I think I did a pretty decent job. I always say decent job, but I actually think it came out looking good. The jackfruit is looking like shredded chicken, pulled pork sort of vibe. I'm nervous. Actually, let me just try out the jackfruit on its own first. Time for the taste test. That's so weird.
You should think about it. Take a second.
Not in a bad way. Not in a bad way. It didn't have much of a smell, but there was like a little hint of something, and I was worried that that's all I was gonna taste. All the spices soaked really, really well into this. I'm really surprised by that. Wow.
Yes! Look at that shoulder move!
Looks like my burrito bowl was a success.
Yes!
Hit him with the avocado. Hit him with the avocado. Hit him with the avocado.
Oh my God! I've been in the kitchen, whipping.
Come on now.
I've been chefing.
It's a banger.
Another one.
It's a banger.
Another one.
It's a banger.
You know when you imagine something and you're like, yeah, that sounds really good. And then you like make it and you try it and it's nothing like you expected. This is exactly what I was expecting. So that is it for this week's video. No, not yet.
Oh, duh.
So the jackfruit actually turned out pretty spot on. I was really surprised by how it took on all those different spices and how it was able to soak up that veggie broth and give off a completely different like flavor profile. I'm honestly really impressed, and I didn't realize it was literally as easy as flavoring beans. Almost the same way that you want to flavor like tofu and beans so that they don't have that bland flavor. I think it's pretty much the same, and in all honesty, I'm shocked that it took me this long to start cooking and using jackfruit, and I definitely think it's something that I want to incorporate more of because I absolutely enjoyed that meal. That was exactly what I wanted. I don't even have a critique for myself. I definitely do think that I prefer having the tortilla chips to the rice, so maybe next time I make this dish I might have less rice and more tortilla chips. Let me know if you try this recipe or if you have any other jackfruit recipes that you'd like me to try. Oh, I also forgot to mention that this was a really quick meal. Like, I know obviously I'm filming so it's taking me a bit longer, but all in all, I think it must have taken me about half an hour, maybe, if not less time. That was super quick, like that. Yes, girl. So that is it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you haven't yet tried out jackfruit, give it a try. If I can make it taste good, anybody can. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you know when I post new videos. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!